Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 23rd February 2025. Political news. Shaktikanta Das appointed as Prime Minister Modi's Principal Secretary. The Indian government has appointed former Reserve Bank of India (RBI) Governor Shaktikanta Das as the Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Das, who concluded his second term as RBI chief in December 2024, will be the second individual to hold this position during Modi's tenure. His leadership at the central bank spanned 6 years, during which he oversaw monetary policy and financial sector regulation. India investigates alleged foreign interference in elections. Indian authorities are examining concerning information regarding U.S. governmental activities after claims that USAID allocated $21 million to influence Indian elections. This assertion, based on a report by DOJ, has sparked political turmoil, with parties accusing each other of benefiting from foreign funds. The Indian Express clarified that the mentioned funds were actually directed to Bangladesh, not India. Sports news. India and Pakistan set for high-stakes Champions Trophy match in a much-anticipated encounter. India and Pakistan are poised to face off in the Champions Trophy in Dubai. The match carries significant weight due to the historic rivalry and current political tensions between the two nations. India enters the game with confidence after a 6-wicket win over Bangladesh, while Pakistan aims to recover from a substantial loss to New Zealand. Vice-captain Shubman Gill emphasized the team's focus on treating this match like any other, aiming for victory without underestimating their opponents. Manu Bhaker honored with Khel Ratna Award. Celebrated Indian shooter Manu Bhaker has been awarded the Khel Ratna, the nation's highest sporting honor, in recognition of her consistent performances. At the 2024 Paris Olympics, Bhaker made history by becoming the first Indian to secure 2 medals in a single edition of the Games since independence, earning bronze in both the 10-meter pistol individual and mixed team events. India's bid to host 2036 Summer Olympics. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has officially announced India's intention to bid for the 2036 Summer Olympics. If successful, it would mark the first time India hosts the prestigious event. The proposal includes showcasing traditional Indian sports such as Kabaddi and Kho-Kho, alongside globally popular disciplines. France has expressed support for India's bid, offering to share expertise from hosting the 2024 Paris Olympics. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day.